Jollof, jollof, jollof.
Jollof, jollof, jollof the rice, man.
Ay, jollof, jollof. Ay,
Jollof the rice, man.
Ay,
Anywhere
jollof.
you go,
Ay.
I can follow where you go.
Ay, jollof, jollof. Ay,
Jollof, jollof,
ay,
jollof, jollof, jollof the rice, man.
ay, jollof, jollof. Ay, jollof, jollof. Jollof, 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 jollof. So, we are now eating jollof rice for the first time in our life. And guys, you don't know, you have no idea. You have no idea.
Okay, this one is for testing.
Oh my gosh. So guys, I might lie to you that it's sweet or not. So you must read me. You must read how I react. That's where the truth comes from. I want you to see my reaction. For the first time, I've never ever tasted it. Jollof rice.
Are we going in the streets of Lagos tomorrow? Are we going to Abuja in Lagos?
Please, if you have jollof rice at home, you want to take my wife and give me jollof rice, you are free to come home. I'll beat you like shit. Because she will make it for me. Don't try. It's sweet, mama. It's delicious.
And guess what? Did you see that this chicken changed this color to those that chicken we always see in Nigerian movies when they make their jollof rice?
Thank you guys for helping us to make this jollof rice. It's so nice, oh, delicious, sweet, oh. And please, I beg you, try it with your wives, oh. Your meat is too big, mama. Can't you see this one is too small? Yeah.
Here's another one also. I want you to finish all this meat. If you don't, you will see the other side of me. Oh, sorry guys. Hey, my husband loves meat. Take this, baby. Take this. Now go and switch off the camera. I don't want to eat. Now go and switch off.
I'm not gonna take it slow. I don't want to switch the camera too. I finish. If I switch off the camera, she will take it. Take all of it. I'm telling you, I won't switch off the camera. I won't.
My husband, you know I love you so much.
No, I will eat it on camera because I know you. I will not switch off the camera. No, I'm telling you, she will take it. She will take it. I
Guys,
won't.
look at me. Can I do such a thing? No. No, baby, go, please. Yes. Yes. Go, please.
Let me just switch, but I know you will do it,
No,
mama.
baby.